Good morning, everyone. My name is B. Jayalakshmi. I am studying in KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. My topic is Merchant Banking. Introduction. Merchant Banking. Merchant banking is a combination of banking and consultancy services. It provides consultancy to its clients for financial, marketing, managerial, and legal matters. Merchant banking provides a wide range of services. That means big range of services for starting until running of business. It acts as a financial engineering for a business. A set of financial institutions that are engaged in providing specialized services, which generally includes bills of exchange, corporate finance, flow management, and other banking services, that is called as merchant banking. Move on the next slide. Functions of merchant banking. What are the functions of merchant banking? See about this slide. Raising financing for clients, broker in stock exchange, project management, advice on expansions and modernization, managing public issue of companies, handling government consent for industrial projects, special assistant to small companies and entrepreneurs, service to public sector units, revival of sick industry units, portfolio management, corporate restructuring, money market operation, leasing service, management of interest and dividend. Move on the next slide. Merchant banking in India. Need for merchant banking was filled with remote access petrol interface device in a number and size of issues made in primary market. Primary market means new issue market. Merchant banking services were started by foreign banks, namely National Grand Lines in 1967 and Citibank in 1970. Merchant banking services were offered along with other traditional banking services. It is a traditional banking of the India. SEBI was first Indian bank to set up merchant banking division in 1972. SEBI means Stock Exchange Board of India. Move on the next slide. Main services provided by merchant bankers. Project counseling. Project counseling means is a part of cooperate. Counseling and related to project financing. It broadly covers the study of the project. It offers advisory assistance on the viability and procedural steps for its implementation. Next, underwriting, portfolio management, manager to issue, advising on mergers. Mergers mean joining and takeovers. Arranging offshore finance. Offshore finance means abroad finance. Cooperate reconstructing non-resident investment. Move on the next slide. Merchant banker. Who is a merchant banker? According to SEBI, merchant banker rules 1992 and the notification of the Minister of Finance, the merchant banker is any person who is engaged in the business of issue management either by making arrangements regarding selling, buying, or subscribing to securities as manager, consultant, advisor, or rendering corporate advisory services in relation to such issue management. That is called merchant banker. Next, qualities of merchant banker. What are the qualities of merchant banker? Ability to analyze. Able to analyze the merchant banker, it is the important quality of the every merchant banker. Abundant knowledge. Abundant means heavy knowledge. Innovated approach. Innovated, it is the new technological involve the project. Integrity. Integrity is the strong ethical. Next, capital market familiarity. Move on the next slide. Functions of merchant banker. Project promotion services, project finance, management and marketing of new issues, underwriting of new issues, leasing services, corporate advisory services providing venture capital, investment management or portfolio management services providing assistance for technical and financial collaborations and joint ventures, management of and dealing in a commercial papers. Commercial papers means check, promissory notes, bills of exchange include the commercial papers. Investment services for non-resident Indians. Next, conclusion. We can conclude that the need for merchant banking is filled in the wake of huge public savings laying untapped. Merchant bankers can play a highly significant role in mobilizing funds of service to investable channels, assuring promising returns on investment and those can assist in meeting the winding demand for investable funds for economic activity. With growth of merchant banking, provision cooperate enterprises undertaking expansion, modernization. Expansion means expand the merchant banking. Modernization means this technological ways modelization to the merchant banking. Diversification. Diversification is the different types and branches open in the merchant banking of exceeding enterprises. This reinforces the need for vigorous role to played by merchant banking. Thank you. Thank you for listening this video.